This documentary short captured the incredible work that helps to maintain instruments that so many of our young people get to learn. And so the work of the individuals that we are honoring today help keep the creative spirit, the music, and the storytelling alive.
In those instruments, in the music they perform, our students find comfort, they find salvation.
This program and these amazing people who make it happen every day is such an important part of what makes Los Angeles the creative capital of the world.
It's a special day for all of us because it's nice to touch every heart in our community.
Now that this documentary is an Oscar nominee, we need the community to actually support it and expand and explode its visibility through awareness. I am so proud.